Hey guys, it's Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and I am really excited to show you this motorhome today. This has been a project of passion, love, and just first times at Weldtec Designs, and I'm really excited to show you this because I think that this is something that you're going to be interested in doing to your motorhome. If you have invested the money into a Super C motorhome, and not specifically this model, but I know you have a Super C, you love the floor plan, you like having four-wheel drive, and you love having that 6.7 liter power. However, you lack the ground clearance that you deserve, you lack the ride quality that you deserve, and you're just overall not completely satisfied with the ride quality, or maybe you have just come to realize that and accepted that this is probably just as good as it gets. I want to show you what I've done to this motorhome so that you can really have a better understanding of what Weldtec Designs does in order to improve the suspension, ground clearance, and everything. So let's talk about the motorhome. This is an Entegra Accolade XT. This is the 35L model. This is going to be on an F600 platform. So very similar to your motorhome as well. 550s and 600s are all very similar. Biggest difference is really going to be tire size, weight carrying capacity, and GVRW of the motorhome. So in the front of this, so if your Accolade, very similar to this, if you have a GSE, then you got the 2-inch lift with your motorhome. It was all block. So you got a block in the front of it, a block in the rear of it, Coney shocks all the way around, a heavy duty sway bar front and rear, and Hellwig helper springs, and overall the ride quality still is garbage. I agree with you. So on this, we've done a different coil spring to get the height. We've done the 2.5 King shocks in here. What's nice about the shock is it's specifically valved for this motorhome. It has the compression adjuster on there as well so that you can actually make the ride stiffer if you choose to. We've corrected all the caster with the drop down brackets and the radius arms. We've even upgraded the sway bar on this to really control the overall sway with a torsion style sway bar that I like a lot better than your traditional sway bar. Again, part of it is opinion. The other part of it is when you go to a larger tire like this, giving that tire a lot of clearance to be able to fully turn. So you can see that there's giant wheels and tires on this. We're gonna get to that in a second. I wanna show you the rest of the suspension that we did on the front of this. And really it's to control the overall steering feeling that you're going to get in this. So we did the double King steering stabilizer on the front of that. The benefit in that for you is going to be less feedback in your steering wheel when you hit bumps and dips, things of that nature, just really stiffening that up. So those are going to be the key components in the front of this that we're gonna do for your motorhome in order to make it drive nicer, handle a lot better, make it more comfortable to drive, make you more confident behind the wheel, as well as give you the additional ground clearance that you deserve with a four-wheel drive motorhome, because I definitely don't want you tearing the jacks off your RV, excuse me. All right, let's talk about the wheels and tires, because this is completely sexy, and you don't have to go this route, but it is pretty damn amazing. 22-inch DDC forged wheel, completely sexy, 8¼ inches wide, so it's giving you a wider footprint of 1.5 inches. That is huge. Then wrapping it in a Toyo RT Pro. This is a 37/13/50 22-inch tire. It's gorgeous. I mean, it really is. Of course, on the front, you can see that it has the winch bumper. It's got the winch tucked in there. This is gonna come on the Entegra Accolade models. If you're looking to add a winch, we build those for you as well. So a ton of different options on these motorhomes. And as we come down the side of it, I mean, you're gonna see just the amount of ground clearance this has is amazing. Another thing that I really like about this, and if you have like a Thor Omni, Thor Magnitude, you'll notice that normally your exhaust is in the back here. We move the exhaust to the front now on all of these models. However, this model already came with it up in the front, so it's a cost savings to you as well. If you don't have it, don't worry, we can move it as well. This particular customer added his own fender flare on there, and you may have to do that if you want to go to a tire of this size. You can see that these dually tires sitting in here, very, very sexy, 22-inch wheels. Now in the rear, the tire sizing is a little bit different. We are running that 37-12-50 22-inch tire in the back, a little bit smaller, and the reason that we do that is to keep the separation between the two dually wheels. Ton of room, so you're gonna see the back in here, still a ton of room on that leveling jack as well. And really what it comes down to is, even though they've added a little bit of approach angle into the back of this RV, we're almost 2 feet of clearance in the back of this, giving you a ton of clearance to get wherever you want. Now here's a big thing, the springs are built to the weight of the coach. In the rear, we didn't even talk about the rear suspension. So full progressive leaf spring in the rear. This is a 14K spring. And then we've also added the 2.5 King shocks with remote reservoirs. And you can see the compression adjusters in there as well, so you can make the rear stiffer as well. This is just amazing. It is beautiful. It's really fun to drive as well. If you have any questions about building a Super C motorhome similar to this, or maybe you're in the market for one, please reach out to us at Weldtec Designs. We would love to help you out. I want to tell you something else, is a lot of the products that I talked about in this particular RV build are going to be in the description down below. Go ahead, you can click those links. That'll take you over to our websites. A lot of those pages contain a lot of essential information to help you kind of decide which route you want to go, whether it's shock setup, things of that nature. If you're still confused, give us a call at Weldtec Designs, or you can use that Calendly link down below. Set up a 15-minute appointment where we can kind of start building your RV with you. Our goal is to do this one time, do it amazing, so that you can just get out, enjoy the open road, the dirt roads, whatever road you want, and be driven further. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Jeremy. I'm from Weldtec Designs, and I look forward to seeing you guys in a future video here at Weldtec Designs. Thanks so much.